food coloring. And again, okay, you guys ready?
Yeah, we're
Okay, our
ready.
first one, if you guys want to take pictures.
I'm already taking a video.
Okay, there you go.
Round of applause.
Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more vinegar, a little bit more baking soda in there, guys.
That was so amusing.
Yeah. This is so satisfying.
A little bit more vinegar. There we
Let
go.
it erupt. We don't need this because look. Wait, because it's pink like that.
Put a little bit more.
I have a pink phone.
There we go.
Stop, she's putting it out.
Cool. Awesome. Okay. That's good. Everybody got pictures?
Can we take these home today?
No, I have to grade them. Okay. So let's dump the rest of that out of there. Can you guys go put it over on this? Where's a good spot to put them? No.
Trash.
Let's. I'm gonna grade them right now.
I'm totally taking this home. Sorry, Kevin, I'm taking all the credit. You don't need to. They're not even here. Science volcano eruption.
Mr. Moretti, smile for the camera.
Not even paying attention.
Alan, smile for the camera.
Ours.
Okay, you guys are good. Could you take it and put it up on the top, please? Okay, who's next? Okay, you guys are next. I'm hearing music. I should hear no music at all. If you guys are back there, you're working on your vocab or you're watching what we're doing, I want you guys to learn today. You're not on your phones. Okay, you're doing vocab or you're up here.
Alan.
Oh gosh.
So I'm going to put some around the edge. Like this.
Snow. It's snowing.
Okay. And when you guys are ready, oh, you know, the magic ingredient is soap. I forgot to put soap bubbles, make it bubble more. Okay. So put a little bit of soap in there. Okay, you mix it up. Okay. You guys ready to go?
It's super red.
Okay, here we go. We got like a dark purplish. Okay, here we go.
That's amazing.
Isn't that cool?
Whoa.
It's pink.
It's pink lava, but it looks awesome though.
Pink lava.
Town's dying today.
Science!
It smells good though.
Okay, whose project is this? Okay, just yours? On it by yourself? No. Okay, you guys did a good job.
It smells good, and it definitely smells
Well,
like
it's
soap.
soap,
It
so.
smells like.
Vinegar.
Don't smell it, Jason.
It smells like soap.
That's
Miss
right.
Loretta, can you do mine next?
Okay, you guys are good?
No, do beauty
You guys
next.
want to take that back to your seats?
Sam! Beauty!
Okay, next?
Grab beauty. Can I take these home today?
No. How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow?
Oh man.
Do you want to take them with us?
My God.
Beauty's beautiful. Don't talk to her like that.
Judge her.
She's beautiful how she is.
No.
What did you just say about her?
Nothing.
What is that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me, give me those.
Okay. I don't care.
My class from Special We're doing Science. Name, was that yours?
Oh yeah.
Are you guys allowed to eat in your other classes?
Sometimes.
Really?
We are. Yeah, Mr. and
Okay, is that what you're used to? Well, I don't want you eating in my class, especially science. If you're eating and you get your fingers in something that's toxic, you're going to get sick. There's the reason. When we do special activities, no food in my class. You're lucky I allow gum. I mean, I don't like gum, but I do allow it. Okay, here we go.
No texture allowed either.
Will it come out over the edge? Oh, it is. It's making it.
It's not dark enough. It has to look darker to look like a real one.
It's going very slow. Yeah.
Why is it pink?
Because it's the food coloring, guys. It's soap, yeah.
Can I touch it?
It's just soap and water.
I don't know why you wanted to.
Wait, does it have vinegar?
Yeah.
Can I smell it? Can I smell that? I'll tell you one quick thing. It smells like that. It stinks.
Okay, whose is this one?
That's mine.
You and Cheska?
This one's next.
Yeah, Beauty's
Why don't
next.
you guys take it back?
Beauty is not gonna overflow.
Beauty's next. Beauty looks awful.
Can you pour some more vinegar into this bottle?
Yeah, Beauty.
Isn't she? No, turn her around so I can see her.
Yeah. Gonna
Yes,
blow from the side. It's gonna blow from the side.
At your table. Just,
The volcano was
no,
dropping. Just
just we're not ready for
No,
it. Just
it's
back.
not.
I'll call you.
Look how much tape. And we barely colored all of it.
Who's taking care of?
Okay, we're waiting for the vinegar.
Let's at least my mom is.
He's Mr. Rex.
How can a volcano be gay?
I'm getting there. So whose is this one?
Me, Lamb's, and Alan's.
Oh.
I mean, Alan's, mine, and Liam's.
Okay, well, he's getting vinegar poured in, guys. And we need a little.
You recorded 6 minutes. I don't think we've only done like 3.
And like 30 seconds of it was getting my.
Really, move your head.
3 from away.
Thank you.
Hey, what are those? He may eat them.
Okay, you guys ready?
Just hope he doesn't.
And there's a cap, right? Okay, you guys ready to go? Do
Beauty.
you have the cap for that? Okay. Here we go, class.
It's Beauty.
Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, I just beast.
Beauty is the beast.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow, looks like
Ours is cool.
That's really cool the way it comes out like that. Looks
Yeah.
like
Just like it just looks like it keeps coming out.
you are deformed.
No, it.
You are deformed.
The lava looks
Remember that look back to you?
so it's following downhill. Gravity's taking it downhill, right? Gravity always knows what's best, right? There's no force stronger than gravity. All right, you guys are good. So who's in this group? Liam and who else?
Alan and Sam.
Alan and Sam. Liam, Al. Okay, take it back to your
That
seat.
probably looks like the most realistic.
Take Beauty back to the seat.
No, it's too wet.
Alan gotta take Beauty back. I'll hold your phone for you.
Shall I get some paper
I'll
towels?
get her.
They're dripping.
Yeah.
Carrying on. Hold on a second. Okay? Go get you some paper towel to put underneath it so it won't drip on the floor.
Sam, what's your last name? Correct.
No, we
Okay,
can't.
next group. Okay, I want you
The guy
guys.
just told us not to.
Yeah. We need some newspaper. Adriana, can you get some newspaper from that box over there? There's a box. We need some newspaper. To the right by the garbage cans. Okay, just get a bunch of newspaper.
He's rigged me.
Okay, dude. The karate master is in work. Oh! Get him, Sam.
He's a karate master.
No. Oh yeah. We call him karate master because he likes to talk about how much he can destroy us. Oh, chop, 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 chop. Oh.
Sam, how can you
Sam did
What are
nothing.
those?
Sam did nothing to you.
What are those?
What is that?
Tape this, guys, because it's gonna go down. We need to put. Could you put tape? There's a masking tape. Whose is this?
Ours.
Could you tape the edge so or put it up like that, or fill it in with paper towels? Because it won't work. It'll just go down in. So make it so it's at level. Who's next? You guys are next.
This is ours.
All right.
Sierra. Ours is Sierra.
Just super skinny.
Blow up then.
Film
So,
section.
are you guys having fun? This is a cool thing to do, isn't it?
Guys,
Inception.
yeah, record the phone, recording the phone. Yeah.
Do it, Sam. Put yours in the middle. I mean, Alan, put yours in the middle. I'll put yours behind Jesse's.
Okay,
record that.
listos?
Guys, it's really bad.
See?
I know what you're saying because I speak Spanish.
I know, of course.
That's a bad idea. It's
Ready?
a bad idea.
Wish we had like soda and Mentos. Oh, that'd be
No.
awesome.
Like Fanta and
Ruin the
Mentos.
room.
But we could do it outside.
I don't want it to explode too much. I just want it to be more
What
realistic.
if we did Fanta and Mentos? Then it would shoot up in the air and be orange.